Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Scotty P. It's your kick-ass Harley dealer, American Eagle, and I'm back at you with the pre-owned bike of the week. Man, are you looking for a bike that'll make your heart beat faster? This bike features a 300-inch tire on the rear. It's got a Heartland USA big tire kit on it. Full stage 4, 131 cubic inch Screamin Eagle engine on the bike. Up on the front of the bike, you got also a 180 big tire kit with a 21-inch 180 tire on the front of it. So hey, if you want to be the cool kid on the block and own the baddest bike around, man, come in and see me, Scotty P, your boy in the Harley business, and I'll make you famous.